Welcome back to another online learning opportunity with Mrs. Dell. Today we are going to do lesson 20, session 2. If you've printed off the workbook pages, excellent. If you haven't and you just want to follow along on lined paper or blank paper, excellent. We're going to go ahead and just jump right into it today. The try it problem is this one. Titus is making flashcards to use for vocabulary review. He cuts out rectangular cards that are 1/2 foot long and 1/4 foot wide. What is the area of one card in square feet? So let's identify some important things that we would need and maybe an operation that we would need to use to solve it. Making flashcards, that's great. Great that he's making them for vocabulary review, but that's just extra stuff that they're trying to trick us. So he cuts out rectangular cards that are 1/2 foot long and 1/4 foot wide. In our first one with lesson 20, session 1, remember that we talked about in order to find the area, that the formula is area equals length times width. So just keep that in mind when we're going about trying to solve this problem. Then we want to identify what is the area of one square card in square feet. So again, this is keyword with area, hence the reason for the formula. And then square feet is going to be our units. So you can either try the formula or you can go ahead and also support that with a picture or a model. Go ahead and pause the video now so that you can work on it, and then let's check back to see how I would go about solving it. Alright guys, I hope you had a chance to solve it. I'm going to show you what I would do. First of all, I'm going to start with just a basic rectangle. And I'm going to say that this represents 1 square foot, just in general. And then I'm going to cut it in half, first of all. So if I cut it in half, and then I'm gonna shade 1/2. 1/2. And then I'm going to cut it into fourths horizontally. And then I'm going to shade 1/4. Okay? If I just look at the picture to figure out my answer, first of all, I'm going to see how many total parts have I created. I've created 8 total parts, so that's going to be my denominator. And of those 8 total parts, how many were shaded twice? 1. So 1/8 is represented by my model. If I want to use my formula, I can stick in 1/2 times 1/4. Again, if we're multiplying fractions, numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. So 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 4 is 8. So this is just using the algorithm. This is using a picture model to support it. I need to go back to the question though. What is the area of one card in square feet? So while this is correct, I'm not done yet. I need to make sure that I add square feet. You can also show it as 1/8 feet squared. Both would be an accurate label to the 1/8. Maybe you guys tried it a different way. Maybe you just did it exactly along with me. Either way, I hope you had success, and I will see you guys later on Zoom. Have a good day.